Hello, BraveHearts. We thought, well, Kathy and Shalu, one more time. We thought we'd just hop on and let you know we are landed safe and sound in beautiful Toronto, Ontario. And although it's not as hot as it was in San Juan, it's not bad.
It's not bad. The sun is shining.
The sun is shining, and
yes.
It's just cool enough to keep us awake because we still haven't slept. But yeah, so here we are, and as we are coming out, well, our luggage is still sitting in Charlotte. So Kathy's going to be going commando until we get it, right?
That's okay. Nobody's home.
Nobody's home. That's it.
Either.
Yeah. So yeah, we're here. Oh yeah, we're only at 15. We have to go to zone 7 because apparently our limo is waiting, and we're hoping it's a stretch limo so we can just lie down and get a snooze while he drives us home. Mind you, but if he drives like the last limo driver, we'll be all over the place. Yeah. No. Anyway, we were just thinking and being so grateful for all the blessings we've had on this trip. Like honestly, it felt like there was an angel that just, or multiple angels, that just, everything just went our way. Yeah. And I mean, the last place, they made me check, no, 2 places before, they made me check my carry-on in, and they broke my mugs because they're so rough with it, right? So this last time, I didn't want to check my luggage. I'm like, no, I don't want to check it. And the guy was, oh my God, he was so
crusty.
Very crusty. Not a happy camper at all. And then out of the blue, this lady comes over and she's like, no, she gets to keep it. Yeah, it was amazing. It was so amazing. So yeah, my mugs are safe and sound. We got here and we thought we'd just check in and see. Do you see him? Where did we pass him?
No, this is...
We're 7.
This is the area.
Oh, right here. This is 7. That must be him. Okay. So yeah, we're just, like I said, it's been a ride, but we didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So we thought we would check in, and we're at 7 and I don't see a limo. Anyway, I will message him. I know, we're almost there. Anyway, I gotta go find where my limo is. But we love you guys, and we wanted to let you know we're safe and sound back home and looking forward to getting to work. So if you're looking for some non-surgical, cell-sonic,
cardio med-bed,
emotional, nutritional, physical healing, you can call me at 705-828-2257 or go to lotuslife.health or message me at shalu@lotuslife.health or
me at 705-715-8716 or email me at info@advancedhealing.ca. Website is still under construction. But clinic is all operational and been very successful treating many so far. So yes. So looking forward to getting it after we have a little bit of shut-eye.
Yes.
Because we've been going for the last, 30 hours now?
Yes.
Anyway, glad to be back.
Well, makes us feel young and vibrant because we can still walk and talk. And at the same time.
At the same time.
Anyway, have the best day ever. Enjoy every moment of every day.
Have a beautiful
Love you guys.
day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.